Today I'm going to review the Kit Kat double chocolate slab. I already reviewed the salted caramel and the mint, and I totally forgot about the new double chocolate. I bought this at Gardenia Quick Spot in Bloemfontein for $44.99. As I always say, we all know the texture of Kit Kat, so it's all in the taste. So let's taste what it tastes like. If you can just get it open, it will also help. Here you go. It smells bloody nice. You can see the lines on it, it's a bit different. Here goes. Now, since I somehow lost the sound of the second part after I tasted the Kit Kat, I decided to re-record it. Although it's nice, and although I love a dark chocolate Kit Kat very much, this is a bit too much. It's a bit too much taste of a dark chocolate, a bit too bitter. So I'll only rate it a 7.9 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all, till next time.